Jav, congratulations.
Woo!
Congratulations.
Yes, sir!
To me, better luck next time. Better luck next time. Better luck next time.
What's up, man?
Thank you.
Woo! Can't wait for the next stage. I'm ready, guys. Let's go.
Sapphire, we feel you're one of the stronger vocalists in this competition, actually. We are giving you another chance, and you live to sing another day. Jude, we're going through to the next round.
Thank you very much.
Chioma, congratulations. You will sing for us again.
Lady Ruth, welcome to the next round.
Thank you.